This tutorial will outline VIVA Whole ebook lending using ILLiad and Alma. The workflows in this tutorial are flexible and can be adapted to local needs. The scenario is for an explicit domestic, non-commercial Taylor and Francis ebook request. In ILLiad, I examine the notes and title fields to check for any special conditions or requests. In this situation, the borrower specifically stated that it is an ebook request. Additionally, I evaluate the request for copyright and billing terms based on my institution's policies. Next, I search Alma for the title requested and narrow the results by facet as necessary. Once I find the title, I click on the electronic portfolio to check my collection. In this instance, I see that it is a VIVA Taylor and Francis EBS ebook. I consult with the Whole eBook ILL product-specific recommendations webpage to determine if I can lend this title. In Primo Discovery, I find the title and download the ebook. In ILLiad, indicate the vendor and the format in the request as per VIVA recommendations. Process as you would any non-returnable. This concludes the tutorial on an explicit whole ebook lending scenario in Alma and ILLiad.